Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we are replacing high beam lights on this Dodge Grand Caravan. So the low beam are already LED and you can see they are quite bright, but if I turn on the high beam, there's a little bit of a difference on this tight space, but in general I almost never use high beam now because the low beam is so bright and so good that high beam doesn't make much of a difference. So I got the new bulbs, LED bulbs for the high beam. Let's get them installed and let's check them out. Alright, so full disclosure, this is sponsored video. I was sent this bulbs, so I will do my best to use for a judgment. As I mentioned, we're installing it on 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. So this is how it came. Those are H11 bulbs. So let me grab a knife and open those. So after watching the video, if you guys like those bulbs, please use the link in the description to the video to get a good discount. So if you use the link, you'll get discount and this channel will get a percentage of commission, so it's win-win. Alright, so with any of the bulbs, main thing is not to touch the bulb. That's why they gave you gloves. So I don't want to put the gloves before I haven't removed the old bulbs, but pretty much look quite nice. There is no separate wiring, there is no starters attached to those, just kind of one piece bulb, which is quite impressive so far. So let's put those aside for now and let's remove the old one. Alright, on Dodge Grand Caravan, I think 2008 till 2020, the outside bulb is the low beam, the inside is the high beam. So we are replacing high beam now, and that must be this one. So we will spin it counterclockwise, we will pull it off, and you can see it just came out. So we will spread those ears on a connector and pull it off. Again, don't touch the bulb, new or old, you can keep the old ones as a spare. So if you look on the other side, it's pretty much the same. This won't allow you to spin it counterclockwise because it hits the casing, so we will remove the wiring first. Just slide it off, and then we can turn it counterclockwise, get it out. Okay, now look at my hands. So if you put your gloves right away, they will be dirty. So this is the point where you want to get your gloves on before you start touching the bulb. I saw the guys who got excited and put their gloves before they opened the hood, and that doesn't make any sense. So we will grab a new bulb. As I said, really nice. It's one piece. There is a fan behind. It serves two purposes, the cooling one and also the resistance, so your car is not complaining about low resistance. It doesn't think that your headlights are not working. So when you plug it in and when your ignition is on, this will spin and will make a little bit of noise, but that's fine. So to get that in, you want to go straight into the hole so you don't touch lots of parts, dusty parts with your bulb. You twist it counterclockwise, you get it locked in place. and then you install your wiring until it clicks, and that's pretty much it. In terms of installation, cannot get any easier. You can see my other low beams, they have a little bit more wiring. There is a starter behind, but those one are super easy to install. So let me do the other side. So pretty much same approach, still using gloves. Get the bulb. We will get the bulb in first before we attach any wiring. You won't see much, but the trick is to get it in, push it in, twist it so the socket is pointing 6 degrees, and get the wiring back in. Just plug it in until it clicks, and that's it. Let's see how it looks. So first look, this looks awesome. All right, so we're back to our spot. This is low beam, and oh yeah, it's not even it's not even a question. You can see the house all lighted up. It's huge difference. Yeah, the technology do not stop surprising me. So as you can see, huge difference if you drive highways, if you drive off-road. This would be a game changer. Before, there was not much difference between my low beam and high beam. Now it's just huge, like you can tell. So in general, what you get from the LED lights, lower power consumption, so it doesn't drain your battery that much. Also, they last pretty much forever, so if you replace them, it will be one-time replacement. Hope you enjoyed the video. So at this point, I can give those bulbs 10 out of 10. Easy to install, one piece. Seems like a nice quality. We'll see how they perform with time. If you're interested, check the link in the description to get your discount if you order those. And as always, please leave any comments if you have used those bulbs before. Those are AUTOONE light bulbs. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself.